Hi, Rihanna. My name is Tisha. You and I spoke yesterday. I just wanted to send over a quick video in regards to your website. The purpose of the video is just to show how your website is doing in comparison to competition and to see if there's any tips or things that you can improve. So, to begin with, we'll be going over content, citations, and backlinks. So, the first would be content. Now, content is anything that you see on your website. Um, or throughout the website. It's going to be words, it's going to be phrases, keywords, pictures, what they're saved as, and what's behind those pictures. So I do always recommend at least 1,500 words for the website. That way you're able to put as many keywords within the website as possible. Now the next will be citations. So citations is anywhere your business name can be found. So that's going to be business name, phone number, and address. Now you can get that information through Yelp, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn. So anywhere that your business information can be found. The next is going to be backlinks. Now backlinks are links that are found on the web as well that divert people back to your actual website. So it brings in traffic. So the more backlinks that you have, then the better it is. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. If you have a link, for example, coming from a restaurant versus a hardware store, then that could be different as far as how much traffic will come in. So why don't you just go over how you're faring with your competition. Now, I Googled plumbers in Sacramento. So the first thing that you're going to see here is what we call the map pack. Now with that, these are businesses that have a Google My Business page. So this is what the first thing people see. Now, the importance of being here is that when people pull it up, oftentimes they're going to go to the first business that they see. They're going to go to the website and make a call. The next is going to be organic search. So in this case, Bonnie Plumbing is coming in as number one on the organic search. Okay, and so I wanted to show you, so they're number one, but with your website, I found you on page number 4 and in the 39th place. So I just want to show you that. So let's look at some things and see how your website is doing in comparison to Bonnie's Plumbing. So first, let me go ahead and pull up their website first. So this is their website. Okay, so that you can see. So they do have a lot of keywords here of what they offer. Okay, so I just wanted to show you that first. The next is a tool that we use is called SEM Rush. Goes over how the website is actually doing. So for your website, I'm showing that you are utilizing 109 keywords and you have 383 backlinks. So that's pretty good. Okay. And then here, actually, I'm sorry, with the total of 115, and then it shows you traffic, how much traffic you're bringing in, and non-branded traffic. These are some of the keywords that you're bringing in business with. So when people are typing this in, then this is how you're doing. Okay, now for Bonnie. Okay, so with Bonnie, they have over 7,000 backlinks. And then they also are doing paid advertising as well. Okay, so that could be a big reason why they're coming in as number one. And then these are some of their keywords that they're using. One thing that we look at when it comes to keywords, we take a look at your competition to see what keywords they're using that maybe you're not utilizing, and we will work to implement that in your website. Okay, so these are just some of the tips or some of the things that I noticed with your website. Again, you really have a nice website, but you may want to utilize some more keywords to bring in business. Again, more keywords and more people will come over to your website and generate more business. So if you like what you heard today and you would like to talk further in regards to this, please give me a call. My number is 916-378-9773. Or if you want to keep these tips for yourself, then you're welcome to do so. Either way, if you can just send me over some feedback in regards to the video, I'd appreciate that. Again, thank you for your time and you have a good day.